The smartest human who ever lived. Sorry, Einstein. There's a story physicists still whisper about at Princeton. Einstein would walk to work. Von Neumann would speed there in his Cadillac, usually crashing it into a tree by Wednesday. The joke around campus was simple. Einstein had the patience of a saint, and von Neumann had the brain of an alien who happened to be in a hurry. And honestly, that joke wasn't far off. Because if Einstein was the greatest mind of the 20th century, von Neumann was the guy that the greatest minds of the 20th century were quietly afraid of. Nobel laureate Hans Bethe once said something that should not be legal to say out loud. He said von Neumann's brain indicated a species superior to man. Bethe wasn't being poetic, he was being a physicist. He meant it. Eugene Wigner, another Nobel winner, was asked why Hungary produced so many geniuses in one generation. His answer? There were no geniuses, only von Neumann. Let that sink in. Wigner won a Nobel Prize and basically said, "Yeah, I'm just a guy." That was the genius. So what could von Neumann actually do? He could read a page of a phone book and recite it back years later. As a 6-year-old, he was dividing 8-digit numbers in his head and joking with his dad in classical Greek. Joking in Greek at 6. Most 6-year-olds are still negotiating bedtime. By his 20s, he had basically rebuilt the foundations of modern math. Then he got bored and rebuilt quantum mechanics. Then he got bored again and invented game theory, which now runs economics, military strategy, poker, and probably your last salary negotiation. Still bored, he helped design the atomic bomb. Then he sketched the architecture of the modern computer, the one your phone still uses today. The von Neumann architecture. Yes, that von Neumann. He worked on weather prediction, nuclear deterrence, self-replicating machines, and the mathematical theory of life itself. On the side, between dinner parties, where he was famously the funniest guy in the room. Einstein, by all accounts, admired him. Feynman admitted he couldn't keep up. Edward Teller said von Neumann was the only person whose mind moved faster than his own mouth. And here's the part nobody tells you. Von Neumann wasn't some grim, hunched-over loner. He loved cocktail parties. He loved limericks. He laughed at his own jokes before he finished them. He drove badly. He dressed sharply. He once asked his wife to make him coffee at 3 a.m. so he could finish solving a problem the US government couldn't. He died at 53, still scribbling equations, still mentally outrunning everyone in the room. Einstein gave us a new universe. Von Neumann gave us the tools to compute it. So next time someone calls you a genius for finishing a Sudoku, just smile gently. Somewhere Johnny is laughing.